generations before us cast out colonial powers, conquered smallpox, and ended slavery, what will our generation be known for?
Millions of people in the world's poorest countries remain imprisoned, enslaved. They are trapped in the prison of poverty. It is time to set them free.
And we are connected like never before. We can raise our voices and demand our governments to end the injustice of poverty. And with all this energy, connectivity, intelligence, and hope, can we be the generation to end poverty?
A child dies every 5 seconds from poverty, sometimes from hunger, sometimes from unclean water, and sometimes from a mosquito bite. $50 billion could save these innocent lives. It sounds like a lot, but that's the same amount of money that China spent preparing for the Olympics. We must make them keep their promise.
They promised to reduce maternal mortality by 3/4.
They promised to reduce by 2/3 the death rate of children under 5 years old.
They promised to stop the spread of AIDS, malaria, and other killer diseases.
They promised to cut in half the number of people suffering from hunger.
Now they promised to get every boy and girl in school.
First world governments must end unfair trade and stop exploiting poor farmers.
Polluting nations must provide resources for poor countries to overcome and adapt to climate change. Demand your government keep its promise to do this. Your choice. Your voice.
You promised. Keep your promise.
We don't choose where or when we are born, yet we were born at a great moment in history, a moment where we have the power to finally end and force simple steps that will change the world as we know it.
Governments must be accountable to their people and their promises.
Can we be the generation to end poverty?
Sometimes it falls upon a generation to be great. You can be that great generation.
I believe we can.